On the hunt for a rural Middle Tennessee home, you're looking for something with a cozy feel, just over 1.5 acres, historic touch to it, and as a bonus, a massive workshop. We might just have the perfect one for you. Stay tuned. So my name's Cullum, and behind me is 852 Highway 100 here in Centerville, Tennessee. It's a property sitting on just over 1.5 acres. Nice little cozy, historic feel, cottage-style house with a massive detached shop. It used to be an existing garage, but awesome place. So listed for well under $300,000. Yeah, you're approximately 4 minutes from the downtown heart of Centerville, 55 miles from Nashville. You're in Hickman County, which is known as one of a very, say, rural but just scenic county. So great area if you're looking for those Tennessee rolling hills. With that, we're going to dive in, take you a tour of this property. We're going to start with the shop, show you what's on the land, and then end up in the house itself. If you have any questions, ask your agent or reach out directly. I'm happy to get all those taken care of. So a little breakdown of the lot. Like I said, you're sitting on just over 1.5 acres. This property does run, it's a pretty wide property. Runs down the highway that direction and then that direction to the fence that you can see. So you have the house on that portion. You do have a driveway. It's an easement for a home on the back end that runs through the middle. And then on this side, you have this awesome shop with a potential apartments or short-term rental or whatever you want to do there as well. So on this side of the property, you will see some fruit trees that were planted several years ago by the prior owners. There's a little pond, spring-fed pond over here as well, that you can add a few ducks. Not sure how deep it is, but something that is a nice little touch. Here's your fruit trees. Some fruit trees over by the house as well. So taking a look at the shop, because this is one of the most unique things about the property itself. Used to be an old garage. Prior owners turned it into an antique store. Is all zoned residential as it stands, but can be used for a business as long as you live in the property or live in the house. So 2 bays, convenience center, apartment on this side. Got the old gas pumps. If you're worried about financing, don't worry. The pumps, the underground tanks and everything, storage tanks were removed. Financing is very doable, and the current owner did finance the property. This is a view from front. So it is about 8 a.m. So traffic is that rush hour traffic. Shop does come with a 220 volt compressor. Stepping in the front of the shop, this is the convenience store section. Awesome and unique space. A lot you can do with this, in my opinion. So you've got the old refrigerators. You've got your commode, sink. This is the refrigeration section for the old convenience center. And then on this end is your workshop. So 2 bays, very nice space. It does have 220 volt wiring. You do have connections for your welders. So yeah, Okay, heading on to this side of the property, or actually not this side, we're going to show you the apartment. So this is the apartment upstairs, unfinished, but there's a lot of potential with that. So it does have some wiring already in place, or electrical already in place. And then upstairs is a loft. A little dark, but just a little loft section. So yeah, bring your creativity on this one. And then on this back side of the property, it does border an old railway track. As you can tell, it's pretty abandoned. Heading over to the house side. So this is the driveway easement that splits the property. Goes back to the back, but on the house side of the property, it is fully fenced with a couple different paddocks. You got some more fruit trees over here. And this is your house. The house itself is approximately just over 750 square feet. Two potential bedrooms. Small, cozy. It does have a newer roof, HVAC, windows, all within the last few years. Electrical and everything updated as well. So this portion of the yard, you can keep your farm animals. Hey buddy. You can see it's already set up with several different paddocks. Your little shed. Water in, and that fence is the end of the property on this way. Septic, no septic permit on this property, but I believe it's a old cistern. On this side, property is hooked up to well. There is city water at the road though, if well's not your thing. Wells, equipment, and everything's all updated within the last few years as well. This is the back side of the property. Nice little back porch and everything as well. Next we'll go inside. So right before we go in the house, this is your front porch. Awesome little unique place. And wanted to show what you're looking over out the front of the house. So nice little bluffs in the background. Very peaceful. Of course, we are filming this right at around 8 a.m. So traffic's a little higher than your normal traffic. But yeah, this is the front porch. Zoom out a little bit here. Just a nice peaceful place, pretty good size. Again, you can sit here and enjoy the bluff views in the morning. And then here's your front door. Stepping inside the home, you will quickly find this one has that cottage historic feel to it. So how we're gonna do this? We'll start on this side. This is your main living area. Extra gas accessory heat. On the right side is your primary bedroom. So this house has two potential bedrooms. Currently set up really for one. The home does have central heat and air like we mentioned before. Hardwood floors, carpet, some tile and mixed throughout as well. This is your kitchen. Pretty good sized kitchen for the size house. You do have granite countertops. And then this could be your potential second bedroom. Right now it's set up for a laundry room. You do have your water heater in here. Additional closet space. There's your HVAC air handler. Oh. This is your back door to that back patio. Storage closet. And then this is your full bathroom within the house. You've got tile floor. Linen closet. And then a tub shower combo. So that's it for this property tour. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, reach out to your agent or reach out to us directly. Great little property, unique for the right person. So that is it. We'll see you guys in the next one.